Hello, my friends. I'm Ellen. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Guess what episode we're on? That's right, my friends. We have reached 195 episodes on... Can you believe 5 more episodes then we'll be at episode... My oh my, I can't believe it. Stay tuned, I'm going to whip up a great awesome recipe for the 200 episode. You don't want to miss it. Well, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon gooey butter cake. And this is the bomb.com. It's going to be bursted with lemon flavor. It's going to be quick and easy, delicious. And this would be a great summer dessert to take for your barbecues, fish fries, and crawfish boils. So grab your mixer and your baking pan sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon gooey butter cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our crust. In my bowl, I have 1 package of lemon cake mix. And we're going to add in the zest of a large lemon, 1 large egg at room temperature, and 1 stick of, which is a ½ cup of melted unsalted butter. And we're going to mix everything until the crust is nice and thick. Alright, my friends, this is what the crust looks like, nice and thick, and I can smell the lemon. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're going to put our crust into a 9x13-inch greased cake pan. Alright, my friends, the crust is ready to go. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, so now we're going to set the crust aside while we work on the filling. Alright, my friends, in the same bowl, I have 1 8-ounce packet of cream cheese at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted. And we're going to cream it until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 stick, which is a ½ cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs at room temperature, the zest of a large lemon, 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, our filling is done. Nice and smooth and creamy. Well, I can smell the lemon extract, the lemon juice, and the lemon zest. I just love the smell of lemon. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the filling right on top of the crust. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put our lemon gooey butter cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Lemon gooey butter cake. And it smells marvelous up in this kitchen. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Nice and gooey in the middle. Alright, it looks amazing. So now we're going to let our lemon gooey butter cake cool for a few minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. And I garnish it with some whipped cream and a lemon wedge. Ooh, look how nice and gooey that looks. Lord have mercy. Mmm, so rich, so decadent. Now that is some amazing lemon gooey butter cake, my friends. Y'all would definitely love this recipe. Lemony-licious. Well, my friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.